Good morning everyone. We, the students of Spandana High School, are here to present the information about the articles of the Indian Constitution. There are 22 parts. Coming to part 1, it's about the Union and its territory. There are 4 articles present in it. Article 1, Name and Territory of the Union.
Article 2, Establishment of new states.
Article 3, Formation of new states.
Article 4, Laws made under Articles 2 and 3.
Coming to part 2, it's about citizenship. There are 7 articles present in it. Article for citizenship at the commencement of the Constitution.
Article 6, Rights of citizenship of migrated to India from Pakistan.
Article 7, Rights of citizenship of certain migrants to Pakistan.
Article 8, Right of citizenship of residing outside India.
Article 9, Citizenship of a foreign state.
Article 10, Constitutions of the rights of citizenship.
Article 11, the right of citizenship by law.
Coming to part 3, it's about fundamental rights. Article 12, Definitions. Article 13, Law of Fundamental Rights.
Article 14, Equality before law.
Article 15, Prohibition of discrimination of religion, caste, race, sexual place of birth.
Article 16, Equal to public employments.
Article 17, Abolition of untouchability.
Article 18, Abolishment of titles.
Article 19, Protection of certain rights.
Article 20, Protection in respect of communication for offences.
Article 21, Protection of life and personal liberty.
Article 21A, Right to education.
Article 22, Protection against arrest and detention.
Article 23, Prohibition of traffic in human beings. Article 24, Prohibition of children employment in factories, etc.
Article 25, Article 25, Freedom of profession, practice and religion.
Article 26, Freedom of religious affairs.
Article 27, Freedom to payment of taxes.
Article 28, Freedom to attendance at religious instruction.
Article 29, Protection of interest of minorities.
Article 30, Right of minorities to establish education institutions.
Article 31A, Saving of laws for estates.
Article 31B, Validation of certain acts and regulations.
Article 31C, Saving of laws.
Article 32, Remedies for enforcement of rights conferred by this part.
Article 33, Power of Parliament to modify the rights.
Article 34, Restriction on rights.
Article 35, Legislation to give effect. Coming to part 4, it's about Directive principles of state policy. It contained under Article 36 to 51. Article 36, Definitions.
Article 37, Application of these principles.
Article 30, State to secure a social order of welfare of the people.
Article 39, Certain principles of policies to be followed by the state government.
Article 39A, Equal justice and Article 39A. Article 39A, Equal justice and free legal aid. Article 40, Organization of village Panchayats.
Article 41, Right to work to education.
Article 42, Provision for just. Article 42, Provision for just and human conditions of work.
Article 43, Living wage, etc. for works.
Article 43A. Article 43A, Participation of workers in industries. Article 43B, Promotion of cooperative societies. Article 44, Uniform motion. Article 44, Uniform civil code from the citizens.
Article 45, Provision for childhood care and education.
Article 46, Promotion of educational and economic interest of SC and STs.
Article 47, Article 47, Duty of the state to rise the level of nutrition and the standard of living.
Article 48, Organization of Agriculture and Animal Husbandry.
Article 48A, protection and improvement of environment.
Article 49, protection of monuments.
Article 50, separation of judiciary from executive.
Article 51, promotion of international peace and security.
Coming to Part 4A, fundamental duties. Article 51A, fundamental duties.
Coming to Part 5, it's about the Union. Article 52, the President of India.
Article 53, executive power of the Union.
Article 54, election of President. Article 55, manner of election of President.
Article 56, term of office of President.
Article 57, eligibility for re-election.
Article 58, qualification for election as President.
Article 59, conditions of President office. Article 60, oath by President.
Article 61, procedure for impeachment of the President. Article 62, time of holding election to fill vacancies.
Article 63, the Vice President of India.
Article 64, the Vice President to be ex officio Chairman of the Council of States.
Article 65, the Vice President to act as President during the absence of President.
Article 66, the election of Vice President.
Article 67, term of office of Vice President.
Article 68, time of holding election to fill vacancy in the office of Vice President.
Article 69. Article 69, oath by the Vice President.
Article 70, discharge of President functions.
Article 71. Article 71. Matters relating to the elections of a president.
Article 70, power of the President to grant pardons.
Article 73, extent of executive power of Union. Article 74, Council of Ministers to aid and advise President. Article 75, other provision as to ministers.
Article 76, Attorney General for India.
Article 77, conduct of business of Government of India.
Article 78, duties of Prime Ministers.
Article 17, Constitution of Parliament.
Article 80, composition of the Council of States. Article 81, composition of the House of the People.
Article 82, readjustment after each sets.
Article 83, duration of Parliament.
Article 84, qualification for Parliament membership.
Article 85, sessions of Parliament. Article 86, right of President to address and send messages to houses.
Article 87, special address by the President.
Article 88, rights of Minister and Attorney General.
Article 89, the Chairman and Deputy Chairman of the Council of States. Article 90, vacation and resignation removed from the office of Deputy Chairman.
Article 91, power of Deputy Chairman.
Article 92, the Chairman or the Deputy Chairman rights. Article 93, the Speaker and Deputy Speaker of the House of the People. Article 94, vacation, resignation and removal from the offices of Speakers and Deputy Speaker.
Article 95, power of the Deputy Speaker to act as Speaker. Article 96, Speaker or the Deputy Speaker removal from office.
Article 97, salaries and allowances of the Chairman and Deputy Chairman and the Speaker and Deputy Speaker.
Article 98, Secretariat of Parliament. Article 98, Secretariat of Parliament.
Article 99, oath by members.
Article 100, voting in houses.
Article 101, vacation of seat.
Article 102, disqualification for.
Article 102, disqualification for membership.
Article 103, discussion to disqualification of members.
Article 104, penalty for sitting and voting before making oath.
Article 105, powers, privileges, etc. of the Houses of Parliament.
Article 106, salaries and evaluation of members.
Article 107, provisions as to introduction and passing of bills.
Article 108, Article 108, joint sitting of both houses.
Article 109, special producer in respect of money bills.
Article 110, definition of money bills. Article 111, Assent to Bill. Article 112, Annual Financial Statement. Article 113, Procedure in Parliament with respect to estimates.
Article 114, Appropriation Bills.
Article 115, Supplementary, Additional or Excess Grants.
Article 116, Votes on Account and Exceptional Grants.
Article 170, Special Provisions as to
Article 117, Special Provisions as to Financial Bills.
Article 118, Rules of Procedure.
Regulation of law and procedure in Parliament. Relation of financial business. Article 120, Language to be used in Parliament. Article 119, Regulation of law and procedure in Parliament. Relation to financial business. Article 120, Language to be used in Parliament.
Article 121, Restriction on discussion in Parliament.
Article 122, Courts are not required in proceedings of Parliament. Article 124, Power of President to promulgate ordination during use of Parliament. Article 124, Establishment and Constitution of Supreme Court.
Article 125, Salaries etc. of judges.
Article 126, Appointment of Acting Chief Justice.
Article 127, Appointment of ad hoc judges.
Article 128, Attendance of retired judges at sitting of the Supreme Court.
Article 129, Supreme Court to be a court of record.
Article 130, Seat of Supreme Court.
Article 131, Original Jurisdiction of Supreme Court.
Article 132, Appellate jurisdictions of Supreme Court in appeals from High Court in certain cases.
Article 133, Appellate jurisdiction of the Supreme Court in appeals from High Courts in regard to civil matters. Article 134, Appellate jurisdiction of Supreme Court in regard to criminal matters.
Article 134, a certificate for appeal to the Supreme Court.
Article 135, Jurisdiction and power of the Federal Court under existing law to be exercisable by the Supreme Court.
Article 136, Special leave to appeal by the Supreme Court.
Review of judgment order by
ఆర్టికల్ చెప్పిన వరడు అసలు
Article 137, Review of judgment order by the Supreme Court.
Article 138, Enlargement or jurisdiction of the Supreme Court.
Article 139, Conferment on the Supreme Court of the powers to issue certain writs.
Article 139A, Transfer of certain cases.
Article 140, Ancillary powers of Supreme Court.
Article 141, Law declared by Supreme Court to be binding on all courts.
Article 142, Enforcement of decreases and order of Supreme Court and order of discovery etc.
Article 143, Power of the President to consult Supreme Court.
Article 144, Civil and judicial authorities to act in aid of the Supreme Court.
Article 145, Rules of Courts etc.
Officers and servants by Article 146, Officers and servants on the expression of the Supreme Court.
Article 147, Interpretation.
Article 148, Comptroller and Auditor General of India.
Article 149. Article 149, Duties and power of Comptroller and Auditor Generals.
Article 150, Form of accounts of the Union and of the states.
Article 151, Audit reports.
Article 152, coming to part 6, it is about the state. It contains 152 to 237 articles. Chapter 1, General. Article 152, Definition. Article 153, Governors of States.
Article 154, Exclusion power of states.
Article 155, Appointment of Governor. Article 156, Terms of Office Governor. Article 157, Qualifications for appointment as Governor. Article 158, Condition of Article 158, Condition of Governor Office. Article 159, Oath by the Governor.
Article 160, Discharge of the functions of the Governor is certain contingencies.
Article 161, Power of Governor to grant pardons etc. and to suspend, remit or commute sentence in certain cases.
Article 162, Extent of executive power of state.
Article 163, Council of Ministers to aid and advise Governor.
Article 164, Other provisions as per ministers.
Article 165, Advocate General for the State.
Article 166, Conduct of business of the Government of State.
Article 167, Duties of Chief Minister has respect furnishing information of Governor.
Article 168, Constitution of legislatures in states.
Article 169, Abolition of Legislative Councils in States.
Article 170, Composition of Legislative Assemblies.
Article 171. Composition of Legislative Council.
Article 132. Duration of state legislatures.
Article 173. Qualification for membership of the state legislature.
Article number 174. Sessions of the state legislature, prorogation and dissolution.
Article 175. Right of governor to address and send messages to the house or houses.
Article 176. Special address by the governor.
Article 177. Rights of minister and advocate general as they respect the houses.
Article 178. The speaker and deputy speaker of the legislative assembly. Article 179. Vacation and resignation of and removal from the offices of speaker and deputy speaker. Article 180. Power of the deputy speaker and another person perform the duties of the officers act as a speaker.
Article 181. The speaker and the deputy speaker not to preside while resolution for his removal from office is under consideration.
Article 182. The chairman and deputy chairman of the Legislative Council.
Article 183. Vacation and resignation of and removal from the offices of chairman and deputy chairman.
Article 184. Power of the deputy chairman to perform the duties of the offices of chairman. Article 185. The chairman or deputy chairman not to present while a resolution for his removal from office is under consideration.
Article 186. Salaries and allowances of the speaker, deputy speaker, the chairman and the deputy chairman.
Article 187. Secretariat of State Legislature.
Article 188. Oath or affirmation by members.
Article 189. Voting in houses. Power of houses to act not with standing vacancies and quorum.
Article 190. Vacation of seats.
Article 191. Disqualification for membership.
Article 192. Decision on questions as to disqualification of members.
Article 193. Penalty for sitting and voting before making oath.
Article 194. Powers of Assembly. Article 195. Salaries of members.
Article 196. Positions of passing of bills.
Article 197. Restriction on money bills.
Article 198. Special procedure of money bills. Article number 199. Definition of money bills.
Article number 200. Article number 200. Assignment to bills.
Article number 201. Bills for consideration.
Article number 202. Annual financial statement.
Article 203. Procedure in legislative.
Article 204. Appropriation bills.
Article 205. Additional grants. Article 206. Votes of credit.
Article 207. Special provisions as to financial bills.
Article 208. Rules of procedure.
Article 209. Law of assembly finances.
Article 210. Language for assembly.
Article 211. Discuss in assembly.
Article 212. Courts not to inquire proceedings of legislature.
Chapter 4. Legislative power of governor. Article 213. Power of governor.
Chapter 5. The High Courts of the State. Article 214. High Courts of the State.
Article 220. 215. High Court of Akan.
Article 216. Constitution of High Courts. Article 217. Appointment and conditions of the office of a High Court.
Article 218. Application to Supreme Court to High Courts.
Article 219. Oath of High Court.
Article 220. Permanent Judge. Article 221. Salaries of Judges.
Article 222. Transfer of a judge from one high court to another.
Article 223. Article 223. Appointment of Chief Justice.
Article 224. Appointment of additional judges. Article 224A. Appointment of retired judges of High Court.
Article 225. Power of existing High Courts.
Article 226. Power of High Court.
Article 227. Power of Superintendents.
Article 228 transfer of cause to High Court.
Article 229 officers Article 229 officers and servants of High Court.
Article 230 High Court of Union Territory. Article 231 establishment of a common high court for two or more states.
Chapter 5 subordinate. Chapter 6 subordinate court. Article 233 appointment of district judges.
Article 233A appointment of district judges.
Article number 234 recruitment of district judges. Article number 235 control over subordinate court.
Article 236 interpretation.
Article 237 Chapter 2 certain class or classes of governor.
Part 7 the state in Part B of the first schedule. Article 238 Part B of the first schedule.
Part 8 the Union Territories. Article number 239 to 242. Article number 239. Article number 239 Administration of Union Territories. Article 239 creation of local legislature. Article 239 special provisions to building. Article number 239 failure of constitutional mystery. Article 239 power of administrator. Article 240. Article 240 power of president to make regulations.
Article number 241 High Court of Article 241 High Court for Union Territories.
Article 242 Cook. Part 9 the Panchayats. Article 243 to 243 Article 243 definitions.
Article 243A Gram Sabha.
Article 243B Constitution of Panchayats.
Article 243 Composition of Panchayats.
Article 243D Reservation of seats.
Article 243E Duration of Panchayats etc.
Article 243F Disqualification of for membership. Article 243G Power, Authority and Responsibilities of Panchayats.
Article number 243H Powers to impose taxes funds to Panchayats.
Article number 243I Finance Commissions. Article number 243J Audit of Account of Panchayats.
Article 243K Elections to the Panchayats.
Article 243 election of election of two union territories. Article 243L election to Article 242 application to union territories. Article 243M Part not to apply to state areas. Article 243 and continuance of existing laws of Panchayats. Article 243 Courts in electoral matters.
Part 9A the municipalities. Articles 243 to 243 Judge. Articles 243P definitions. Article 243 Q Constitution of Municipalities.
Article 243 R Composition of Municipalities.
Article 243 S Constitution and Composition of Wards, Committees, etc.
Article 243 T Reservation of seats. Article 243 U Designation of Municipalities.
Article 243 Disqualification for membership.
Article 243 W Powers, Authorities and Responsibilities of Municipalities, etc.
Article 243 Power of impose taxes funds of the municipalities.
Article 243 Y Finance Commission.
Article 243 Z Accounts of municipalities.
Article 243 ZA Elections to the municipalities.
Article 243 ZB Application to Union.
Article 243 ZC Part not to apply to certain areas.
Article 243
Article 243 ZD Committee from District Planning.
Article 243 ZD Committee for Metropolitan Planning. Article 243 ZDF Existing Laws and Municipalities.
Article 243 ZG Courts in Electoral Matters.
Part 9B The Cooperative Societies. Article 243 ZH to 243 ZT. Article 243 ZH Definitions.
Article 243 ZI Incorporation of Cooperative Society.
Article number 243 ZJ Number and terms of per member.
Article number 243 ZK Election Number of Board.
Article number 243 JDL Supersection of Board.
Article number 243 ZM Audit. Article 243 ZM Audit of Cooperative Societies. Article 243 ZN Convening of General Body Meetings.
Article 243 ZG Right to get information. Article 243 ZP Return. Article 243 ZQA Offence and Penalties. Article number 153 243 ZR multiplied to state cooperative societies. Article 243 ZS Application to Union Territories. Article 243 Z Continuance of Exit Laws.
Part in the Scheduled and Tribal Areas. Article 244 Administration of Scheduled and Tribal Areas.
Article 244A Formation of Tribal Areas in Assam.
Part 11 Relation between the Union and States. Article 245 to 263.
Chapter 1 Legislative Relations. Article 245 Extent of laws made by Parliament and Assemblies. Article 245 Laws made by Parliament.
Article number 264 Special Provision to Goods and Services Taxes.
Article 247 Power of Parliament to provide additional code.
Article 248 Necessity of Legislation.
Article 249 Power of Parliament in the National Interest.
Good.
Article 250, power of Parliament in the state list. Article 251, laws made by Parliament under Article 249 and 250. Article 252, power of Parliament for the any other state. Article 253, registration to international arrangements. Article 254, laws made by Parliament under assemblies.
Article 255, requirements of recommendations. Chapter 2, Administrative Relations. Article number 256, Obligation of States of the Union.
Article 257, control of Union over states. Article 257A, assistant states are formed forces.
Article 258, the power of the Union to confer power. Article 258, power of the state. Article 259, armed force in the state.
Article 260, jurisdiction of the Union.
Article 261, Public Acts and Records.
Article 262, education of disputes.
Article 263, Interstate Council number. Article 12, finance, property, contracts and sites. Article 264, interpretation.
Article 265, taxes not to be imposed in law.
Article 266, funds and public accounts of India.
Article 267, contingency funds.
Article 268, duties levied by the Union.
Article 268, services tax levied by Union.
Article 269, taxes levied and collected by the Union.
Article 269A, levy and collection of goods and service tax.
Article 273, taxes levied and distributed between Union and the states.
Article 271, surcharge on duties and taxes.
Article 272, taxes which are levied by the Union.
Article 273, exports duty on jute and jute products.
Article 274, prior recommendation of President required bills affecting taxation in which states are interested.
Article 275, tax from the Union to state.
Article 276, taxes on provisional trade implements.
Article 277, savings.
Article 278, agreements taken in financial matter.